Assessing your taxes can feel intimidating, but this presentation will introduce to you the Confidence and Quality Tax Rubric app to make the process easier. The online tool is geared specifically towards childcare providers and can be easily completed with confidence and in a short amount of time. Disclaimer: the information contained here has been prepared by Civitas Strategies Early Start and is not intended to constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. The Civitas Strategies Early Start team has used reasonable efforts in collecting, preparing, and providing this information, but does not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, adequacy, or currency. The publication and distribution of this information is not intended to create, and receipt does not constitute an attorney-client or any other advisory relationship. Reproduction of this information is expressly prohibited. As we move through this presentation, you will learn about the tool known as the Confidence and Quality Tax Rubric app, what you need to use it, and how to navigate the app successfully. The Confidence and Quality Tax Rubric app was developed to allow childcare business owners to evaluate their own federal tax returns for consistency with best practices for their program type. The app can be accessed on your mobile device, desktop, or laptop computer. Using the app will provide childcare businesses with a personalized review of their potential tax risks and opportunities summarized in a downloadable report that is easy for both you and your tax preparer to understand. The rest of this presentation will help walk you through the process of using the Confidence and Quality Tax Rubric app to simplify your tax preparation this coming tax season. There are only two things you need in order to begin: your Schedule C of your Form 1040 from your latest completed tax return, and about 15 minutes of your time. What is the 1040 Schedule C? Let's take a look here at the image on the right to see what the Form 1040 Schedule C looks like. Once you have that, you're ready to continue. Now that you have your Schedule C, you're ready to begin. The first step is to access the app. The app can be accessed by entering the link seen on your screen into your laptop, desktop, phone, or tablet browser search bar. Once you're there, it will ask you to accept the user agreement and confirm your type of business before taking you through a series of questions based on your tax form. From here, the rest of the process can be completed in 4 simple steps. Please note that this online tool does not retain or share any of the data you enter. All information provided is used for evaluation purposes only and deleted upon completion of the process. Once you've begun, you will proceed through the site's prompts by answering a series of yes or no questions. Answers to each question are dependent on if you have information entered in the relevant line. Some examples can be seen here. After you've completed the questions about your tax returns, all that's left to do is answer some final general questions to check for common errors. Then, insert your email address in the provided submission box. And that's it. If you have not received your report after 15 minutes, be sure to look in your spam folder. As a reminder, this online tool does not retain or share any of your data or results. All information provided is used for evaluation purposes only and is deleted upon completion of the process. Your email address will only be used to send you a copy of your personalized report. Do you need additional help? There are many helpful resource guides available on childcare.texas.gov. We've discussed temporary wage supplements, staff training costs, how to pay yourself for sole proprietors, setting up a record-keeping system, the time-space calculation for sole proprietors, how to determine whether someone is a contractor or employee, attracting staff, marketing, how to prorate costs, and more. All topics have in-depth informational guides on childcare.texas.gov. And if you'd like a coach to think through some of these ideas with you, or any other challenges you're facing in your business, you can sign up for one-on-one coaching with our experts at www.childcare.texas.gov. Help is available on business, finance, staffing, and more.